these are supposed to feel really nice and nippy and super snappy, and apparently they don't have top end, but I don't think that's going to be a problem, so let's go. Conveniently, the battery was dead, this one, of my Runcam, so I took off and the video cut. So it is the next day, which you may or may not be able to tell, but now I have to do it again. Got these new P2 props, and I was just wondering, I should make a video on whether or not you should run high or low pitch props, because I always ran high pitch props for quite a while. I was told, you know, with the altitude it's better because I'm at 1,400 meters. I don't know how much that is in freedom units, but you know, the air is not the thickest up here, and so yeah. But I was getting very sick and tired of prop wash, so I decided I'm going to try some low pitch props. And right around the same time, I saw in one of Mr. Seal's videos that they have these new props, or at least I think they're new, I don't know, P2 props, the pickle props. I really like the colors. The colors are pretty cool. So yeah, these are them. And when I was buying them, I first checked on some of the drone groups just to see what the general opinion is on what pitch to run, because these are, you know, 2.9 inch standing pitch, and I come from Del Prop 4.7 inch, and they told me no, and by they I mean the racers specifically. They said 2.9 too little, no power. I disagree. These are those props. They have plenty of power. Is it the same as 50-47s? No. It is not. But it is by no means unpowered. Underpowered. And prop wash handling, as you can see, is just what prop wash? These are insane. I love them so much. It's just nothing but benefits, and even at the whole end of the pack, they draw so little power, you can just send it, you know? I think they're really cool. So yeah. Let's drop at 3.7 volts. It's coming for landing. Next pack. These props are so good. Like, if you really try and draw out the prop wash, you will find it, but for my flying, it's just no problem. And power-wise, I'm actually like the less power than the high-pitch props, because I can actually use my full throttle range now. In the past, for especially like in this area over here, if I came here underneath these trees, why is my video so bad? If I came underneath these trees, I couldn't do anything, because if you just touch the throttle, it would immediately, you know, balloon up straight into the canopy. You just couldn't do anything. But with these, you have plenty of room to play with the throttle, with, you know, any of these kinds of situations where you might need... Ooh, person. I've been chased away. But you have so much throttle control. Like it's, you know, okay, I could always orbit here, but you can hear, I can like play with the throttle. It just doesn't get out of hand. There's a helicopter off in the distance. Ah, so great. I can't see there. Can I? I don't know. It's so difficult in the winter with these, in this area. Because there might be branches, there might not be branches. Let's see where they're at. Oh, my battery's flat. Oh, it's just so great. I need more of these props.